layout. And those are the three basic types of layout. Again, we have the product layout, process layout, and fixed position layout. Hello everyone, so welcome to our new topic, and this is all about layout strategies, and we will going to begin the whole discussion regarding layout strategies on the three basic types of layout. This is just an introduction, guys, on layout strategies. So let's start. So let's define first what is layout. What comes into your mind when you hear the word layout? Okay, so when we say layout, this refers to the configuration of departments, work centers, and equipment with particular emphasis on the movement of the work or customers, or it can also be a materials, through our entire system. So, layout, ano ba yung pinaka-okay na layout considering ito yung ating movement? These are the departments na halos laging may interactions or may transactions with each other, and these are the departments na halos walang connection sa isa't isa. Given those different factors, what should be our layout para mas okay yung movement natin on our entire system? That is what the layout means, the configuration. Okay, now, we have actually different objectives on layout design, and the first objective is to, of course, to facilitate attainment of product or service quality that we are offering to the market, and second is to use the workers and space efficiently. Guys, the layout actually, this is the right layouting rather is the way on how we can have the use of space more efficient compared to before, no? And third one, to avoid bottlenecks. Okay, because through bottlenecks, we all know that if we have a bottleneck, malaki yung epekto nito sa effectiveness and sa efficiency ng ating buong sistema, no? That is the third objective. Fourth objective of layout design is to minimize material handling cost, no? And the fifth one is to eliminate unnecessary movement of workers or materials. Dahil kung babalikan ninyo, unnecessary movement or extra motions, extra movements is actually a part of muda. Muda are waste and hindi natin siya gusto as industrial engineers, right? So we should eliminate or we should minimize those unnecessary movements, those unnecessary motions of workers or materials. And number 6, to minimize production time or customer service time for us to be able to maximize our capacity, okay, our system capacity. And last one, to design for safety. We should have our proper layout design for us to be able to be a risk-free environment, risk-free working environment, and of course, okay, no, totally okay na working condition. Now, the three basic types of layout are actually the product layout, the process layout, and the fixed position layout. And what is the difference between these three? When we say product layout, this is most conducive to repetitive process. Okay? Layout that uses standardized processing operations to achieve smooth, rapid, high volume flow. So basically, when we say product layout, this is on the perspective on how we can have a smooth flow of producing a product. Okay, and this is more on repetitive process. So an example, no, a cafeteria layout from tray and silver, desserts, salads, main course, potato, bread and rolls, up to the cashier. Okay, when you pay what you get, no, ng mga pagkain dyan. So ito is diretso. That is a product layout. Ang perspective niya is on the product or on the service. Okay? So that is a product layout. Another product layout is this U-shaped production line. As you can see ano lang siya, no, diretso lang. No, 1 to 10, diretso lang. Pero ito, for us to be able to maximize the space, ginawa niya pa letter U. Pwede rin naman po yun. para mas maliit din yung mga movements ng mga workers. Minimized po siya. Okay, this is a U-shaped production line. And meron po talagang ganitong production line no, in the real world. So, that is a product layout. So, second is what we call the process layout. No, this process layout, guys, is actually designed for non-repetitive processing. So, if your process is repetitive, better you have this product layout. If that is non-repetitive process, no, yeah, you need to process items or provide services that involve a variety of processing requirement. Process layout ang dapat sa inyo. So, nakadepende po talaga yan kung ano yung organization nyo. So, when we say process layout, this is an example ng process layout. Titignan nyo po dito sa kaliwa, no? Process layout or functional layout used for intermittent processing. Applied po ito for job shop and batch processes. So, hindi sila ganun connected sa isa't isa. Department A, B, C, D, E, and F. This is a process layout. Sa product layout, dugtong-dugtong talaga sila. Okay, ginagamit po ito for repetitive processing. Okay, repetitive and continuous processes or mass and continuous production. Workstation 1 connected with Workstation 2, connected with Workstation 3. Dito, hindi. No, nakadepende kasi si Department C is actually magkaiba yung job descriptions nila with Department A, with Department E, with Department F. So, mayroon silang bukod na function. They are dealing with different processes. So, this is an example of process layout. Okay? And the third one is the fixed position layout. Guys, when we say fixed position layout, this is a layout in which the product or process remains stationary. When we say the term stationary, no, meaning hindi po gumagalaw. There is no movement. Nandoon lang yung ating ginagawang product or yung process natin. And workers, materials, and equipments are moved as needed. Yung workers yung nagmo-move, yung materials yung nagmo-move, yung equipment mismo yung nagmo-move papunta doon sa product natin. That is the reason why it is called fixed position layout. Yung ating product na ginagawa is naka-fix doon. Tayo yung umaalis, tayo yung pupunta sa kanya. Ano yun? Ano-ano yung mga products na yun? Ano-ano yung mga organization na gumagamit and nag-a-apply ng fixed position layout. One great example is the production of ship. Okay? Paggawaan ng mga barko, ng mga eroplano, yung mga produkto na sobrang laki. Okay, wherein si workers yung pumupunta doon, no, dadalhin yung mga tools and equipments, tapos after gamitin, ilalayo. Kapag may equipment na malaki, dadalhin na naman, tapos ilalayo na naman, hanggang mabuo to. No, so usually po, a fixed position layout is ginagamit for the products na sobrang lalaki. Okay, bang barko, eroplano. So, kotse, ganun din, somehow. Pero, may mga production na kasi na ngayon ng cars na hindi na sila naka-fixed position. No, minsan, pwedeng naka-product layout na sila. So, ito ang best na example for this third type of layout. And those are the three basic types of layout. Again, we have the product layout, process layout, and fixed position layout. Okay? I hope you guys learned something in this discussion. That is the last part of our short discussion all about the three basic types of layout under the layout strategies. By the way, this is just an introduction on layout strategies. Our next topic will be all about the line balancing approach applied to layout strategies. Okay? So, thank you for being with me on this discussion. Keep safe always, guys, and see you on our next topic. Goodbye, everyone.